Hi, this video is specifically for middle school teachers, reminding them to check their letter grade setup. Basically, Moodle is set to the scales for the high school because they're more complicated to set up and edit. And anytime a new course is created, it automatically goes to that letter scale. So what do I mean? I'm in the new Computer 6 class right now, and if I go to letters, it shows the scale that is for the high school. And so I have to edit that scale for my class in order to make it right. So in order to do that, I go down to Edit Grade Letters, and an A is actually, first of all, I have to hit Override Site Defaults in order to do that. So an A actually is something greater than 90%. I'm going to delete an A minus because we don't do minuses in the middle school. A B is something greater than or equal to 80%. I'm going to delete all the C's. C is 70%. I'm going to delete the other minuses and pluses. And D is 60%, and that's 0. So if I hit Save Changes now and I look at the scale just changed to the middle school grades. It's important that all middle school teachers do this and at least check it once. Once it's set for the course, it'll stay that way, but anytime a new class is created, so this applies to any new middle school teacher or any teacher that's asked to have a new class created, you need to go in and do that to make sure your grades show correctly. So again, when you come into setup, you just go to letters, you hit edit, you have to check that you want to override the site defaults, and then just change it to A, B, C, D, F, with the 90, 80, 70, 60, and 0 being the numbers in there. And when you're done, you save changes, and you'll see the new grades right there. I just noticed that on one of the classes, and I wanted to send this email out to all the middle school teachers to make sure they checked that their grade showed up right before we get to interims, and you have plus minus scales showing up that don't apply to the middle school students.